How's it going, guys? I'm gonna do a quick review on the Cimetech compact full-size wireless keyboard and mouse. This is the keyboard I use, the IZO. It's a little bit dirty. I live in West Texas. You can't keep the dust out. But this keyboard I got for my wife, and we'll see how it does. It's this one right here online. About 30 bucks. And we'll see how it looks. Okay, it comes in this nice little box right here. Go ahead and open it. Sorry, I'm doing this one-handed. Ooh, very nice. I wonder why that one's colored. The key's black, the rest are gray. Let's take it out of here. Keyboard, like the mouse. Both of these are wireless. Instructions. I put your batteries in there and stuff. You don't really need these. These are basically plug and play. And that's it in the box. It feels really nice. Doesn't feel cheap at all. The only thing that I've noticed that kind of sucks is there's no raised bars to give it a higher angle like that, which I like to use, but it's not for me, it's for my wife, so hopefully she likes it. Here's the sound of the keys. Sound pretty good. And this is the mouse. Now the mouse does feel cheap. It's super light. Might feel a little bit heavier with the batteries in there, but it does feel light. And here's the sound for the clicks. It's really quiet compared to my HP mouse that I use. This is how it sounds. Now let's try this mouse again. But yeah, it's really quiet, so that's good. And we'll go ahead and plug it in and see how it does. One quick thing I noticed is that I kind of panicked since I removed where the batteries go and there was no receiver. That was for the mouse. And I kind of panicked thinking that it didn't come in there, but I'm guessing both of these pair with just one. So that's good because they'll free up USB space, especially on my wife's Mac, since Macs do not have a lot of USB space. They probably it only has like 2 ports. That's it. All right, guys, this is my wife's Mac. She likes Thor. I don't know why. I'm gonna put a picture of a girl in a bikini on mine. See how she likes it. Here's your Mac. We'll go ahead and plug it in. Plugged in. Okay. The keyboard and the mouse are not turned on, and I got this message. Let's see, let's turn them on. Mouse is on, and it's working. The mouse is working. Let's turn on the keyboard. Okay, really don't know too much about Macs, but I heard a sound there. Press the key immediately to the right of the shift on the left side of the keyboard that cannot be identified. This is identifying your keyboard. After the batteries have been put in the mouse, it actually feels really good in your hand. So I added a little bit of weight, it makes it feel a little bit better. All right, let's try out the keyboard. search for something, and it is not working. Let's turn it back off. Turn it back on. I am not getting any lights. Let's check the battery, see if they were put in right. Okay guys, after turning it back off and turning it back on, it has been recognized. So it writes good. Oh crap. Seems to write good and everything. Everything works. Now the num lock does not give you an indication that it's on or off. Caps on, but that num lock number, you get an indication on the screen on the computer. It gives you a sound, but it does not indicate it on the keyboard. So that is, I'm guessing that light is faulty, but it's all good since it actually works. You turn it on and it actually works. Okay guys, and that's the review. This keyboard I got off of Amazon. Hope answered all your questions. If you have any additional questions, just ask it in the comments and I'll take a look at it and answer them the best I can. Thank you.